Hey folks, and welcome to week number 1. Okay, so this will give you the scope of just sort of the pace at which a summer class moves. Alright, so to-do list, look over the Essay 1 assignment rubric. I'll walk you down there in just a second. Look at the material on plagiarism, watch the essay structure guide video, look at the citation guide, and write and submit Essay 1. So, in this case, we're going to go down, take a look at Essay 1. So there's an assignment. I'll come back and take a look at that in a little bit more detail. There's a rubric for how it's going to be graded. This will be the same, substantially the same rubric I use all semester long. I won't normally give you one, but that gives you a little idea as to what we're looking at here, okay? A little bit of information on plagiarism. Some information on essay structure. Watch that video. Some information on citation. Okay, I'm going to actually add one more video to this before we're all done, so you guys will actually see 3 here. All right. And then finally, you're going to submit the essay to this Dropbox right here. Okay. So let's talk about the essay very quickly. Yeah, you're writing an entire essay in 1 week or 1/2 of a week. This is a double-timed class, and there's just not a real way to get around it. All right, sorry about that. I had to resize the screen real quick so that we could actually see what we're looking at here. So this is the Essay 1 assignment. It's the same thing that you've got there. You can, of course, go back and take another look at it. So the purpose of your first essay is to investigate information about an issue you're interested in, present a short essay, choose one of the ideas you came up with during last week or earlier this week. So the discussion board, start doing some basic research, okay? You can use non-scholarly sources, i.e. those you might find through Google, but at the same time, I want you to do your best to find the best information on the topic. So there are 2 goals here, okay? I want you to explain the topic and issue in detail. What are all sort of the ins and outs about what would a lay person, someone who not an expert in the field, need to know? Okay, that doesn't mean you give me every minute detail, because there are some things I just don't need to know. Know what an average reader would already know, in that what they would not yet understand. Okay, and then the second thing, and think about this as something you would move towards in your conclusion. Where do the experts disagree related to this issue? Are there questions that are unanswered that the experts disagree about, or places where, scholars in the field say one thing and then other scholars in the field say something else? Okay, if you can move towards those things in your conclusion, that'll be really helpful moving forward into your other essays, because if you want to keep using this topic, you will be able to. 3 to 4 pages, double spaced, plus your MLA page. I'm not a particular stickler for length, but, a 2-page essay here is clearly going to be pretty underdeveloped, okay? If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. It's our first essay. Every other essay we'll have at least 2 weeks for, but if you think about this, we've got 4 essays, 8 weeks. This is will be the end of week 1, so we have 7 weeks in which to do 3 essays. So you can see it's going to be just about 2 weeks per essay from here on out, okay? If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. I will be glad to help.